What is up, fellow Facebook friends, followers, and whatever real estate stuff you got going on? Heidi ho. Dylan here I got my own brokerage, Smart Real Estate Group, and WRS Property Management. Here today talking a little bit about what an ARV is. And before I dig into that, I'm going to ask you to please hit the like, share, and comment button. We'd love to hear what you have to say. So, ARV is short for after repair value. Okay, so why is that important? Well, there's a couple different times you need this, but specifically when you're doing a rehab, you need to know, like, if I have a property for $100,000 and I put $50,000 into it, what does the value for look like after that, right? Obviously, if you're putting 50 grand in, you'd like to hope you're at least getting 50,000 back in value, but it could be more depending on the property and how you bought, right? So you're going to need this type of number for a couple different reasons. One, if you're going to flip, I think that's the biggest thing that I hear people asking, you know, Dylan, if I buy this property, I put this much into it, what's the end result, right? Other times you need it is basically like for the bank, you know, some of us use hard money lending and they say, hey, yeah, we'll give you money to do the project. What's the value of the project when you're done? Basically, what is their liability and what are they possibly going to benefit if the deal goes south? So things like that, ARV really comes into play. If you ever see AVM, that is an automated valuation something. It's a marketing number. That's the best way. So you see it on Zillow, you'll see it on Realtor.com, you'll see it on some other stuff. The only real and the best way to get a value, talk to a realtor. An exact number is an appraiser. See our other videos on the difference between the appraisal value and what I put together. But that is an ARV for you, long and short, and hopefully it helps you somewhere. Happy real estating.